This is the demo video of e-billing Android app. So first what we need to do, we need to set up a password for the organization. Let I am entering the details updateka.com private limited, and second we need to enter the business address. Here I am entering test. In third, we have to enter the contact number. I am entering here just a demo number. Then we have to set a password test, and again we have to confirm the password. Then I am entering the test, and in last we have a button to set up this. This is a one-time setup. You have to set up only one time. It will ask you for your permission for accessing the photos, videos, music and other things, but I am saying no, not allow. After this, here all the bills that are paid or not paid are displayed here, but currently as we have a new user, so here no billing are displayed. Now we click on the plus icon to generate a new bill. We have to enter the username, like I am entering here my name, and the contact number. Again I am entering just a demo number, and next, click to next. Here it will ask me to item details, price per item, quantity and the text, how much text we have entered text. So I am entering the item details. I am entering just my YouTube name, and then the price per item and the quantity, and then we have to select the text, I am selecting the 12%. Add item to bill. So these items are added to the bill. Now here, if I want to add another item to the bill, then I can add new detail. But if I don't have any new item, then I click on the finish. Just I am click on the finish. Now here it will generate a bill that we have to share the customer. Here it will display the total text, add total GSTs, total amount of GSTs and the total amount. So here it will display all the things, and in last the total price. So this generated a e-bill. Now here an option, currently it's showing a red, but if I click on the paid, then it will convert to a green. Here is a button, mark as paid. So I click on this, and if I want to mark as paid, then I have to enter the password. That password we have created while setting this project. If I enter the wrong password, it will say to error, password do not match. Now again if I enter the correct password, it will say bill paid, and now you will see a green, now you will see at the starting a green icon here now it's become a green. Last it was red, now it's green. If we have to add another item, then we can click on the add item. If we don't want to add any item, then we can navigate to the back, and it will show paid bill and unpaid bill. Currently show the paid bill. If I click on this one, show unpaid bill, currently we have not currently we don't have any unpaid bill. So let's create another bill to the customer, to me like decode it, and entering the digit name. enter the contact number, just click on the enter. Next, now here item details, projects, and then projects item quantities. And now we have to select the price items here, 30, quantity 80 and 18%, and add to bill, and then finish. This time I will not mark as paid, so just back. Now if I click on the paid one, then it will show me the paid details. This one, if I click on this one, then it will show me the unpaid bills, and if I click on this one, then it will show me all the paid bills. So I will click on the both side. If I show on this paid bill, then it will show me all the paid bills here. If I click on this show unpaid bill, then it will show me all the unpaid bills. Here is a demo video for this e-billing app, Android app, and this app is generated on the Java, and all the data are stored here in a backend, and we have used for the backend SQLite database. So thank you for watching this video.